For your structured controversy assignment, you need to find some peer-reviewed journal articles. I'm going to use CLICsearch on the library website to show you how to do this. So CLICsearch is this big search box on the top of the library website, and it searches through our books and most of our journal articles, newspapers, magazines, media, and more. But I'm going to show you how to search it and limit to peer-reviewed journals. So you want to think of your topic and just enter some keywords about your topic to try to do a search here in CLICsearch. So if I was interested in something like net neutrality, I might just type that in and then hit enter or click the search button. Now on the next page, I'm going to get a list of results, but I want to refine my results before I start looking at them. So on the left-hand side, these are different ways you can filter your results. So if you scroll down, one that you're going to want to use is underneath Show Only. You want to click right on where it says Peer-Reviewed Journals. It will then resort your results and show you things from peer-reviewed journals. Another filter you can use on the left-hand side of the page is if you scroll down a little bit further, you're going to see publication date. Now, if I want something on net neutrality, I want something a little bit more current. So I'm going to change it from 1800 to be something like maybe 2010 or even 2012, and then just click on Refine. So now what it's showing me is items that are from peer-reviewed journals that are published within this date range. So now I can scroll through my results and I should be able to find some peer-reviewed journal articles here. So when you find one that sounds interesting to you, you can click on the title of it. And then what you can do is scroll down and you can read a little bit more about it before you click on the full text. So most articles have an abstract, which is like a short summary of the article. So you can read that and then determine if you want to open the full text. And then to open the full text, you want to look underneath Online Access. Now sometimes you'll just see one link and sometimes you'll see even 5 links. It really doesn't matter how many links you see, and it doesn't matter which one you click on. All the links that you'll see under Online Access should bring you to the full text. So I'm going to click on this and it will bring me into the database where the full text is. So here is this article, and if I scroll down, you sometimes get these little pop-up ads. You can just close them. But if I see this article, I can just scroll down and I can read the whole full text of the article. Or what's nice is this database also has the article available as a PDF. So I could click on Download PDF and save this PDF to my computer. I'm going to close this and go back to our CLICsearch results. So here's that article in CLICsearch, and so I just want to hit the X and then I can go back to the list of results. And so you want to keep going through this list to try to find more results on your topic. And when you get to the bottom of this list, it's actually not the bottom. So you'll see when I get all the way down to 20, it kind of stops me. But what I want you to do is click on Load More Results, because sometimes you can find even better results when you look beyond the 20. So definitely make sure to look through a good amount of results to try to find information on your topic. And then of course, don't feel bad. I'm going to scroll all the way to the top. Don't feel bad changing your keywords. So all I put in was net neutrality, but I might want to add more keywords to find something really related to net neutrality. Or maybe I might want to enter keywords that are for each side of the debate. And so definitely think of changing your keywords. The one thing that I would stress though is after you do another search, you have to redo your filters. So let me show you. So if I type in a couple more keywords to try to narrow my results, it cleared out my filters that I had used before. So I have to go back and click on peer-reviewed journals again, and then I can go back and click on my publication date and limit to that again. So just note that when you do another search in here, it will clear those things out. So you always want to make sure that you can see peer-reviewed journals and the year underneath active filters. I'm going to go back to the library homepage because I just want to show you that there are other things you can use besides CLICsearch. So CLICsearch is really great and you can definitely find peer-reviewed articles there, but you also might want to find some subject-specific databases to find more information. What I mean by that is if you click on the Article Databases button, you can select a subject that is related to your topic. So if I select a subject for net neutrality, I might select something like computers and technology. And what I'm then going to see is I'm going to see databases that are really useful to find articles on computers and technology. So I might want to search in computer database to try to find even more information related to net neutrality. So that's just some basics about using CLICsearch and about finding subject databases. If you need any additional help finding articles, don't feel bad to reach out and ask for help. On the library website, if you just scroll down, you can click on the Help tab and you'll find ways to contact us in person, via email, via chat, and even via text.